Hi guys, this is Nora from BRvision. Happy Friday. That's right, I'm making the product video every Friday. So guys, just remember to check my video every Friday. And today, I'm going to introduce you our backlight camera like I always do. This backlight camera is used for the replacement of HENA 2DA 343-106-201 stoplight. And this backlight camera is IP69 K waterproof rating. As I have mentioned in my last video, IP69 K means this backlight camera can be used in rugged road situations and bad weather. And this is a 4-pin connector. This is our standard connector. So this connector can be customized. You can choose any connector you want, just if you can state your request to us. And or just using a switch wire. The distance angle is 114 degrees. So that's all about this video, about this backlight camera. This one. Have you seen the difference? Yeah. This backlight camera has 2 names. So you guys know what 2 names for? With 2 names, then you must can see wider, right? So this lens here is for reversing, and this lens here is for back view. This lens is just the same lens degree with this one, 117 degrees, and this lens is 95 degrees. So 2 cameras, then you must have 2 connectors. So this backlight camera. So I have one thing to mention about this backlight camera. So you see the wire here is a lot thinner than here, right? Why? For this is a BTW collector, and it is switching to the 4-pin connector. Because this wire is thinner, then you can install this backlight camera in your car without do any damage, right? So that's all about our backlight camera today. So if you guys have any suggestions about my video, if you guys have anything you want to know about our product, then leave a message behind this video. That's all. Thank you.